welcome to LIB Gamers. So, how did you like our previous video? If you like, please comment how was the video. Now we are going to start with a new series of Modern Combat 5. Let's get into it. Okay guys, now we are having a video. Let's see what's the video. I think we can understand the game by seeing the video. It's like a military game. Wow, the graphics are very good of this game, really. It's loading. I think this game is going to be very interesting. Okay guys, now I entered my details. So let's get started into the game. I'm very excited guys now. It's looking very interesting. Wow. It's so awesome. Come on guys. Now it's teaching me how to play. It's Gameloft presents. Come on guys, I don't want to skip this because this video is very interesting.
Contact.
Oh no, who is he, man? Beside me? Oh, who is he?
On your go.
I think he is our commander. Come on, shoot. Yeah, it's very awesome. Really. I have to go. Okay. Oh no, guys. Come on. Who? They are shooting me. Really. Really, guys. It's awesome. Where is my commander? Commander, go! Yeah, he's a very good runner, I think. Wow. Now I have to pull him up? Okay. I think he has a six-pack. What should I do now? Oh, it's very good. I can jump from anywhere. Oh, my commander, he's very good in shooting. He's not even giving me a person to shoot. See guys. Wow. He's running very fast, guys. He's running very fast. No. Wait. Please wait. Wow, I threw a grenade. What happens? Let's watch. Yeah, with one grenade I killed 2 persons. What are these now? Come on, I want to kill them both. Really guys, this commander is not even giving me a chance to kill. He's killing everyone. Bad commander, he is a bad commander. See guys how he is going. I have to go here. Okay. Wow. I have to do shooting from the boat. Wow, from where I have to shoot this? Guys, it's really very hard. It's tough. I have to, again a helicopter? Gee. For catching us, these many members are coming. Watch this. No, please. They are just falling upon us. And this helicopter is not even leaving us. Oh, I have to. Come on, commander, drive very. Yeah, he's driving very good. But these mad buffaloes are not leaving us. Where is? Oh no shit, man. Oh, I thought it will fall on us. Man, I want to kill this dirty helicopter. See guys, how it is shooting. Come on helicopter. How much health do you have? But you can't escape from me now. Yeah guys, I think it's going to die. Come on. Come on, explode. Come on, explode helicopter. Come on helicopter, explode. Yes! I did it guys. It exploded. Oh no, these guys are not coming. No. Yeah. What is this? Good guys, I completed. Can I shoot? No. I got a good. Yes. Good guys, I can do it. Yes. Hey, who is she?
Listen to me, Venice.
I think she is also our commander.
Humanism. They're trying to erase their
Is my name Phoenix? Okay.
What are you talking about?
They planned it all. I've dug around. I've connected the dots.
She's saying me the plan.
Human was behind the whole thing.
So, the world's biggest private security
She's saying me the plan. How much time? I am getting bored. Come on, I want to go to the war zone. Now I want to fight and I want to kill them.
They know I'm asking questions.
and the mission
What is she saying me?
They made me when I got back to Tokyo. Lily. My daughter. They threatened to hurt her.
spoken to anyone else about this bullshit. Because I think you need to.
Oh, she's saying me fuck. What is this? Oh no. No guys, no. Hey, oh. What should I do? Okay. No guys, she's saying me all mad. Come on. It's not so hard, but I can do I think. Let's see. Come on guys, what is this? Come on, I want to fight with these dirty guys. I want to kill them all. Who is she? A doctor? Yeah, okay, I'm going. I'll kill her. Her name is Miku. Okay. Come on. What all she's saying me to do? Oh, there are many doctors. Oh, these all mad fellows. They're killing them. See, guys. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yes, I killed him. Yeah, I got a gun. Now I'll save them all. Okay. Guys, no. Oh, there are plenty, man. There are plenty. Again, where is she running, man? Where is she running, guys? Where is she running? No. Please, there are many. No, I don't want to die. Please, no. Yeah, I killed. Come on. Hey, this dirty boy. Yeah, I think. No, he's dancing after died. Oh, he is very comedy man. After dying also he is dancing. Like in movies they'll show after cutting off the head they'll dance. Guys there. Oh man, see here. Even the doctors are shooting. What a strange game. What? Where are they? No. Oh, see this mad buffalo. Please. Oh, there are many. No, I don't want to die. Please don't kill me, but I will kill you. Oh, there are many. No, I will kill you all with the shit. Come. No, I don't have health. No, I have to sit. Come on. Guys, sit. Phoenix, come on, sit. I have to regain the health. Guys, we'll wait till our health regain. Yeah, okay, I think we have regained our health. Come on, let's move. Come on, nurse, move. What is she giving? Oh, it's like a headset. Thanks. Okay. Yeah, I completed. Yes, guys, I completed. Okay. You have been promoted to 3. Done, guys. I think, yes, I have promoted. Okay, guys, I have to do. Okay, one more mission. Okay, she's saying me something. What is she saying me? Is she saying me? No, I'm saying her that I want to go. Oh, I got a new character, guys. I got a new character. Oh, no, this all it is very boring. I just want to kill the enemies like a pro. But this guy, she is not even allowing me to do anything. She is sitting on my head, guys. She is not even letting me do anything. Oh, again she started doing all mad. Come on, guys. Again she's saying something. Unlock available. What is unlock? What is available? Something. Medals. Oh, I have completed. Oh, good. What is this? I am not even able to claim. Why are they giving? No, guys, I want to start. I just want to start. Oh, she is running again, all dirty. Guys, I have to kill them all now. Oh, what a slow motion game. Really, I liked it. Oh, are there any more? Yeah, okay, I'll kill. Yes, I killed. Yeah, come on. I think this nurse is showing me how to go outside. Oh man, there are plenty. Oh, I have to. They are coming like chickens out. No. Please, guys. Let me run and kill you. From where are they shooting? They're hiding like a cowards. Not even coming out. Yeah, this is this guy, guys. Sitting behind the wall and shooting me. What is this? I have to sit here? Okay, I am sitting here. Come on, guys, I want to kill these all mad head buffaloes. Yeah, headshot. Yes, I have completed. Come on, nurse, move. Oh, she's also running very fast. What is this? Am I mad? I think she have drunk some energy drink. Really, guys, she's running like a Usain Bolt. No, guys, again, how many members? See, like they are coming like chickens outside. Yeah, I have to go inside. Oh, this machine. See, guys, again how he was dancing. What I fought?
I'm okay.
These all slabs are very weak. I have to kill him. What? See him, guys, sitting. Where I have to go? Yeah, here. What is this? What is this? Yeah, I got some ball. I got a ball. Oh, can I use it? Oh, I used it. It's called a scout drone. Okay. Where is it going, guys? It is roaming, but it's not going anywhere. Shoot. Okay, I have to shoot. Shooting. Yeah, I have shooted it. Gone. Fire is gone. Okay. I want. Fine, guys. No. Seriously, how are they running? No, I want to go inside. And I want to kill them. Yeah. No, guys. They are not even letting me to kill them only. Oh, see him again. How dare he is coming near me and he's still kick. How to kick? Yeah, see. Wow. It's awesome. I kicked him. Not him. I kicked that. Oh, see guys, they are coming very. No. Where is he running, mine? No, wait. Yeah, okay, done. Come on. No, guys, I want to kill them and only go now. Where I have to go? See, again this nurse came from somewhere.
Through here.
She is letting me to go from one place and she is going from one place. Oh, who are these? Oh, these will be mad shit, guys. Okay. See, guys. He's having that health again? No. After. Oh, yeah, I completed the mission. Okay, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to LRB Gamers. Bye.
I give